In this video, we're going to be making this easy recipe for amazing chicken wings. First step is optional, but it's recommended so that it takes away the smell of the chicken and also gives a bit of flavor to it. In a pot of boiling water, add 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of salt, and then add in the washed chicken wings. Bring them to a boil for 1 or 2 minutes and then drain them well. To make the coating, you need 2 tablespoons of rice flour, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix it all well and then gradually add some water to this to make it into a nice watery slurry. Once the oil is hot, coat all the chicken wings before frying. And then fry the chicken wings until they come into this nice golden brown color. Next, we're going to make the sauce. In a pot, add 1 to 1.5 cups of water and add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Mix it all really well and you should start to get a thick sauce kind of consistency. Add 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of chili sauce of your choice. You can reduce the heat a little or turn it off if you're finding that it's sticking, and add a teaspoon of salt. Mix it all really well. And then add in the chicken wings and coat the chicken wings really well. And then serve and enjoy.